kitties.
Hi, kitties.
That was Abby, my daughter, who named you guys kitties. Anyway, guys, today's just gonna be a really short video. I'm just showing you what came in last month's Red Iguana nail box. I have talked about my nail box before on my previous videos, so please go check them out. I'm not affiliated or anything like that. I don't get paid for this at all. I'm just saying, if you love nails like me, you're a tech, whatever, they give you some really cool things. As you can see here, I got pigment powders, I got a brush for the pigment powders, I got chrome, I got autumn leaf, nail stickers, I got nail foil gel, which is awesome. It works wonderfully. I like it better than the nail foil glue that I was using for my transfer foils. I got some Be Bio gel polish, so it's a duo pack. You get gel polish and you get regular polish. And then I got flames, the new trend of the flames, which is awesome because I was going to buy them separately from Amazon, and I'm so happy I waited until my subscription box came because they were in there. I think I got 16 of those little packets of holographic flames. So yeah, if you don't know about Red Iguana nail box, you need to get up on it, get that subscription, and you don't have to have a subscription. They'll sell you per box. I think it's $35 for one nail box, so I just decided to get the subscription. I mean, they gave me some really great things. I am going to be doing a giveaway at 100 subs, and the items will be randomly selected from all of my nail box items by Red Iguana. So if you're not up on it, get up on it. Anyway, thanks guys for tuning in. Hopefully you go get yourself a subscription to the nail box by Red Iguana, and don't forget guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video with everyone and anyone. All right guys, bye kitties.